Hi, welcome back to Konkani Khann Anik Jevan. Please like, share and subscribe to see more upcoming videos.
Surnu Dhadyalolo is an almost forgotten traditional recipe using raw surnu or elephant yam. Dhadyalolo means smashed using a mortar and pestle or in a rogada stone grinder. The true taste of this is indeed in using a mortar and pestle, but you can also use a mixer. We need a raw piece of surnu of about 50 grams. Do not use a cooked one. Optionally, a handful of shallots or piau, about half a cup of curds, salt to taste, half teaspoon of chili powder, half teaspoon of tamarind paste, as well as mustard, jeera and curry leaves for tempering. First, chop this raw surnu into small pieces. Chop the piau too. Now to the chopped surnu, add the piau, salt and tamarind and mix well. Keep aside for half an hour. You need not worry about itchiness as the tamarind nullifies any irritation. After marination, add them in a mortar and pound to a coarse paste. You may also use a mixer for this. Add minimal water if needed. Transfer the coarse paste to a bowl, add chili powder and mix well. Now add the curds. Splatter mustard, add the jeera and the curry leaves. Now add the tempering to the dish. Your tasty Surnu Dhadyalolo is ready to be served as a side dish with rice. Do try this out and enjoy.
For more details, refer to our website kkaj.in.